What's up guys? My name is Lucas Ravisa and this is my latest build. It is a 2021 Mercedes Sprinter 4x4. It is the 170 wheelbase. I really went all in on this one with design, layout, materials, all the amenities. I have a few of these that I'm going to be building, replicating, perfecting, and adding little touches. And if you guys have any interest in getting in contact with me, my website is linked below. So we're gonna start in the back here. This is the lounge area when the bed is up. You get to sit back here. I'm pretty sure you can fit about 20 people in here. I have tried that before. Yeah, so this space is big because the bed is a queen size mattress, so the leftover space is what we have as the lounge area. I'm happy that it's so big because I love to entertain. Right up here is a projector, a full home theater sound system, and that's surround sound. So you can have all your friends out here and watch a movie. To the right and the left, there are windows, and that creates a panoramic look. So if you're backed up to the ocean, you can also see to your left and to your right. Under the bench that I'm sitting on is a 42-gallon fresh water tank. In between that and the water heater, which is housed all the way near the sink, is storage. You get about 3.5 feet wide of storage. Just back here, I have a S-Bar S2 diesel heater, and that's behind the bench. And the control for that is conveniently placed right here. So if the bed is down and you're getting ready to go to bed, you can turn that either on or off. So coming over to the other bench, it is my electrical system and the subwoofer for the home theater sound system. With this build, I went ahead and put 1200 amp hours in. That's 14.8 kilowatt hours, so it's a massive system, and it's all lithium iron phosphate. I have a Victron 3000 watt inverter charger. Shore power is in the van in the back because you're most likely not gonna ever need to use it, because I also have an additional 280 amp alternator and a backup 60 amp alternator running off of the original alternator.
I'm Nate Murphy, and I have literally just bought this van to show you how to build a van. We have made a really detailed course which will help you go from this to this. You will learn everything you need. We help you specify your electrical system, and you'll be able to access the community all building their own vans at the same time.
Definitely lots of options for power here. I have 480 watts of military grade walkable solar panels by Merlin. So I got the Victron MPPT here. So right above me here is the queen-sized bed, and it's on the Happy Jack bed lift, and that conveniently tucks away into the ceiling. So at night, you don't have to turn your living space into a bed and then redo it in the morning. And this is just convenient. So that is a queen-size bed, sleeps two. This bench is another bed. This bench is a bed. Yeah, so as long as no one is sitting underneath the Happy Jack, you can drop the bed all the way down so that the mattress sits perfectly flush with the couch backrests. And that turns this queen mattress into a California King, adding a total of 12 inches on each side. And you can take your pillow, throw it into the window frames, and it's actually wider than a California King. Also, when the bed is down and you need ventilation, you can open up both sliding windows. They both have screens, so bugs aren't an issue. And above me is the skylight, and this also has a bug screen and a blackout screen. So if you open that up, turn on your vent fan, you just have a cross breeze going right over you on nice summer nights, and it just feels amazing. When the bed is down, a light switch appears, and that light switch is for the skylight. And it's a pretty bright light, and this is the Max Air skylight, and you can actually climb through it. It's one of the 2 ways to get to my roof. One of my favorite parts of the van is the projector screen. It works in 3 modes. When the bed is down, when the bed is up, and also for outside on nice summer nights. So let me show you that. And you can take the Nebula projector, put it on a tripod, and lay out a blanket or a beanbag, and yeah, watch outdoor movies with friends. And you can actually flip the projector around and watch it while you're inside. Alright guys, so just beyond the living space on the driver's side is the sink cabinet. This is a 15-inch by 15-inch sink, plenty of space. And again, I do have 46 gallons of fresh water, hot and cold, so plenty of water for doing dishes. Currently I have a bunch of teas up here, and these are all Velcroed on. You can put whatever you need in here. And then the hooks on this conveniently hold your keys, so that when you're going to bed, if you ever need to quickly grab them, you know exactly where they are. Moving over, I have 3 wine glasses if you like to entertain. These are held up there nicely. The center glass has some felt on it so that it doesn't rattle when you're off-roading. Underneath the countertop of the sink is the water pump switch, the water heater timer, and that's so you don't drain your batteries. As soon as you turn your inverter on, you can do click the 5-minute button, boom, your water is heating up for 5 minutes, whether that's for dishes or showers. And then all the way to the left is the water fill gauge. Tells you how much water you have in your fresh water tank. For the backsplash, it's one of my favorite design pieces in the van. I took 3/4 inch walnut and 1/2 inch walnut and planed those down to 4 or 5 different depths. Started staggering them out, and that's how I came up with this. So each piece individually planed and shot in to create this 3-dimensional push and pull backsplash. Up above is a upper cabinet. This is 2 pieces of walnut, and this is for storing your toaster. Can go up here. Lots of room for food. Underneath the sink is the toilet, and in this build I went with the Laveo dry flush toilet simply because it's the most user friendly. You click a button, twists the bag, all odor's gone. It's just super simple. So the toilet is on 500-pound drawer slides. It sits perfectly in the aisle. The seat is somewhat round, so it's actually no problem sitting sideways. On the passenger side, there is also a upper cabinet, same as this side. Again, plenty of room for storage. So over here is the induction. On top, I put this rubber mat in case something falls from the upper cabinet and shatters the induction. So this is a dual burning Impava induction cooktop running entirely off of electricity. So you can cook anything you would normally in your home. And over here is a full slide out pantry. This is for canned goods. It fits 2 cans perfectly right here, side by side. This is where the trash can is located. So you just lift up the trash can, throw it in there, and that is very convenient when you're cooking. And to the right of the pantry is the Dometic CRX 110, and this is a 110-liter fridge. Plenty of food for 7 to 10 days, depending on what you buy. It has a little freezer up above that can house 2 or 3 frozen pizzas. Although this shower is in the corner, I would consider it the centerpiece of the van. This was the whole reason for my layout. It's all built around this shower, and it is a 3-foot by 3-foot corner shower. Definitely enough room for 2 people. I'm 6'1" and I have plenty of room in here. The rain head in this shower is a Nebula by Moen, and it releases 1.5 gallons per minute, and that is when the wand is on. And that's about half the amount that a normal shower would disperse, and that again is hot and cold water, and you can take about 30 minutes of showers on one full water tank. I knew that I wanted access to the front of the van without having to exit the sliding door and walk around, and that is why I put another Nautilus door right here, and this allows you to quickly walk to the front. And this is just good for emergencies, or if it's raining out or snowing and cold. It's just easy, quick access. I put the Max Air fan inside the shower, and that is so you can vent all the steam out. And I added these little grooves in here so that when both Nautilus doors are closed and the shower's on, it can pull air through this pocket instead of sucking the door closed. Yeah, over here is where you put your shampoo and stuff. 2 racks for 2 people. Soaps here, and then towels conveniently hang right there. And I'll show you guys one last time walking through. So right here on the driver's side is a full standing closet with drawers. Up here is where you hang all your clothes, and on the door is your mirror. So right when you hop out of the shower, if you want to get ready, you just open up this drawer and you can have all your stuff right here laid out, and you could basically get ready, shave, put on makeup. So I got 6 drawers total. 4 of them are 6 inches, and the bottom one is pretty big. You can put pots and pans down there, so that's why the bottom one's bigger. So coming over here, right when you open the sliding door is the garage. The light switch is right here. This is where you can put your skis, wetsuit, surfboard, you name it, that can all go here. This is waterproofed. This is neoprene, which is wetsuit material, and the board that it's attached to is actually dry locked and waterproofed. So completely fine to put whatever you want in here. Currently, I have a 1-wheel. The light up here can swivel to point outside and illuminate any space outside. This is a 12-volt light, barely pulls 3 amps. When the door is closed, this slider opens up. It has a screen. So when you turn the vent fan on in the shower, you're actually able to vent out any items that are in the garage. So for all the door panels, as well as the garage, I went with neoprene fabric because it's the most moisture resistant, and the paneling underneath is waterproofed. So all the doors are upholstered with neoprene, and it gives it a nice feeling, luxury feel and look. On the rear doors are owl accessories. This is the Sherpa, the box, and the ladder tire combo. This is the official way to get onto your roof. You can climb that ladder. So this is a 4-season friendly van, and up right above me is the Dometic RTX 2000 air conditioner. This is a 12-volt air conditioner, has about 6,500 BTU, which can cool down this space easy in an hour in very hot conditions. I have enough power in my battery bank to keep this thing running for 55 to 60 hours on eco mode and 30 hours on high. So that is a long time. That's without any solar, any idling. And then if you run out, you simply idle the van. Thank you everyone for watching this tour. I want to give a big shout out to everyone that helped me. Just so many people get involved when you decide to build a van and give you advice. So I want to thank everyone. You can find that on my website at revisaluxuryvans.com, and my social media is Lucas Revisa. And yeah, I'll be replicating this, making it better and better. Feel free to get in contact. Hope to see you around San Diego.
You may have noticed that you can buy our ebook. Our ebook shows you how to build a van conversion. It has 190 pages of text, diagram, and images showing you various options of various systems. It also comes with 25 videos that show you hands-on how to do many parts of building a van. Also, we have a course. The course is really in-depth. It shows you everything from how to use basic tools all the way through to doing your gas, your water, and your electric installation. Not only that, but within the course, we support you hands-on in making your electrical specification. And you get to join a community community of like-minded van builders who are building their vans at exactly the same time. Follow the links to find out more, and thanks for watching.